My name is Andy Wilcox. I'm the owner of EIS Machine, inline cleaning systems, and we have Rando Machine. We build a machine to order for production of automotive parts, aerospace parts, a lot of different industries that we touch. We've had a couple of times where we've had a larger project quote that was multiple machines, and we need a pretty high degree of confidence in what it would take to actually fulfill that order and build those machines. Having that data really accessible gave us a lot more confidence to bid where we could go after some larger projects. Before, we kind of would have been a little hesitant and maybe would have lost because we didn't feel as confident about our bid. Our Odoo implementation is pretty far from stock. We have a lot of customizations. Our goal is really keeping track of project costs accurately. It's a mixture of inventory parts, custom parts. There's a lot of labor time, but making sure that every person involved can accurately charge their time. There are sometimes outside services we need that are part of the project. We have a different way to track rework so that we don't include that in the future project cost. And keeping track of all of that and bringing all the costs together was a huge challenge. And that's why we need the customization, because nobody makes an ERP system really geared just for us. And that's why we chose Odoo, because it's open source, it's easy to customize. And Novobi in particular came to the table with the ability to customize a lot and with a deeper understanding than some other folks that we talked to. We looked at 3 or 4 other Odoo developers, and no one took as much time as Novobi did. No one really went into the same depth of understanding what we really need. So I felt like when we started the project, Novobi already had a pretty thorough understanding of what we needed. That takes an understanding of the software, it takes an understanding of manufacturing in general. Now with Odoo, everything we buy, we have to enter a product into Odoo. And so we really have complete history on each part, where we bought it from, how much it was, over time, if we purchased it, different pricing. We track the inventory thoroughly. We have a complete picture. Whereas before, you're always afraid that you're missing something. I can accurately quote the next project. I'm not going to quote it too high or too low. That's critical for us as a custom machine builder. Our next phase would be automating a lot of the bill of material and routing, data creation and entry into Odoo so that we can automatically populate all the detail directly from our CAD system into the Odoo ERP. Being able to automate that out of the process and use our engineers' time for more creative and high-value time that's critical. With our previous system, we couldn't get any help customizing the OEM itself. The help was really poor. So just having someone that understands our business and does support us is huge for us. When I look at a machine project, I'd much rather work on something that's a little bit unique and different and interesting. And I think Novobi honestly takes the same approach. They're not afraid to try something a little bit new and untested and different. They're really willing to take the plunge and really just invest some time in to make something new that works really well. Of all the reasons why we chose Novobi and what's made it successful over the last 6 years, really that attitude from Novobi.